It's a short, written roadmap made of 3 parts. Plan what this home is for. Write down the purpose of this house in 1 or 2 lines. Is it a starter home, a forever home, or a legacy home you want to pass on? This purpose will guide every decision later. Plan your priorities and limits. List your top 3 must-haves and your top 3 nice-to-haves. Decide your budget range, your target timeline, and how much flexibility you have. This keeps you from saying yes to every new idea and then regretting the total bill. Plan around your family's real life. Make a simple family brief. Who will live here in the next 5-10 years? How much privacy do you want between generations, kids, and helpers? What spaces do you truly need? A quiet office, prayer area, hobby room, safe storage. That's the plan you need before anyone draws a single line. When you're clear on purpose, priorities, and your family's real needs, step 1 already saves you money, time, and a lot of stress.